This incident follows a disturbing pattern in BJP-ruled states like Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Rajasthan, where Hindu extremists routinely attack Christian worship services with impunity. The targeted pastor, Baliraj Gangaram, had previously faced death threats 4 months earlier when police ironically filed cases against him rather than his attackers. Now his entire family has fled into hiding, fearing for their lives. Meanwhile, 3 of the assaulted Christians spent 4 days in jail before the Delhi-based ADF organization secured their bail on June 28th. The fact that the victims were punished while the perpetrators walked free is a chilling indictment of the systemic failures that enable such atrocities to persist. The systemic persecution reveals several alarming realities. First, the complicity of law enforcement. Police not only permit these attacks, but often participate in fabricating cases against victims. Second, the weaponization of anti-conversion laws to justify violence against religious minorities. Third, the dangerous normalization of mob violence under religious pretexts. As videos show attackers gleefully shouting Jai Shri Ram during the assaults, we must ask, what spiritual benefit comes from beating starving Dalits? How does parading naked pastors strengthen Hinduism? These acts don't defend faith. They defile it, turning sacred slogans into tools of oppression and eroding the moral fabric of our society. When constitutionally guaranteed religious freedoms are publicly violated, when police become instruments of oppression rather than justice, every Indian's fundamental rights are endangered. The Constitution of India, under Article 25, guarantees the right to freely profess, practice, and propagate religion, yet incidents like Nepanagar show how fragile these protections are when mob rule and complicit authorities prevail. The solution lies not in retaliatory violence, but in upholding constitutional values. Hindus of conscience must condemn these atrocities. Media must report truthfully without fear. Courts must punish perpetrators regardless of political pressure. Most importantly, citizens must recognize that today's persecuted Christian could be tomorrow's lynched Muslim or arrested Dalit activist. When mob rule replaces due process, nobody's rights are secure. This isn't just a Christian issue or a Dalit issue. It's an Indian issue, one that threatens the pluralistic ethos that has defined our nation for centuries.